Hello everyone, Sam is here from my firstmagicweb.com. This small video is about the last week trade weekly recap. So let's get started. Week started on the 17th November, right? And this is one of the trade, the first trade, which I closed on the 8th, but the entry was from 7th. So date says 7th, but so buy order is here. SL move to break even. This is the perfect entry setup, and this one went all the way there, almost like 200 points. Entry was on 62,883, and it went and hit 864,849 from 62 to 64. All right, so this is the BTC USD. This is pound newsy. You can see how nice the setup is by the book, and sell order SL move to break even 105 pip on 8. Then again BTC USD here, buy order here, and all the way up 8 on the 8th to 66,630 321. 66,321 is the entry point, and it went up to, what is that, 67,500, 67,538. This one was I think it's the same thing that I just showed the size to fit on my website. All right, on the 9th, this is pound Aussie 20-minute buy order here, 80 pips buy here. And on the 10th, you have Euro Aussie 20 pip, again Aussie weakness, pound Aussie, Euro Aussie, they all went up. On the 10th, this pound newsy as well for the long side was 65 pip. Like I said in my last webinar, that nowadays now it's November 14 already, right? So halfway into November, and then November and December, these are the slowest. This is the slowest time of the year. Okay, and it will pick up later on in January, sometime the second week of January, but this is what it is. This is the most like slowest time, and you're gonna see small daily ranges, like 40, 50 pips, 60 pips, something like that. Aussie USD, because of Aussie weakness, Euro Aussie, pound Aussie went up, and Aussie USD and Aussie yen went down. You can see here, beautiful entry, 115 pips on the 11th. And on the 11th, Aussie yen, like I said, that Aussie USD and Aussie yen, because Aussie is on the left hand side, Aussie getting weak, and these things will go down, right? So it's 55 pip here. And on the 12th, Euro yen, also 20 pip. 20-minute, 85 pip to the downside. And these are the trades, not many, but enough. Okay, and the beauty is that I had very few SL hit, and most my SL was like 15 pip, and because of the setup. Okay, so for example, if I make an short entry here, and if I don't close, then my SL will hit at break even, right? So sometimes it just drops a little bit and then it goes up again. That's where I lose 10 pip, 15 pip, like that. But most of the time, these are the results: 80 pip, 90 pip, 100 pip trades. So yeah, this is it for now. These are the only trades that I have. And if you like what you saw, go on my website and subscribe. And also, if you like, you can subscribe my YouTube channel so that whenever I upload a video, you can get it immediately. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful trading week. What do I do?